Guys, welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Paul. So with the tire stickers being done on Ashley's tires and rim, we had a slight little complication. We're rubbing, but we're not rubbing tire, we're just rubbing the actual tire letters. So we're here at Kev's today and we are going to be rolling the quarters. Mercer was nice enough to let us use the fender roller. Kev, say what's up to YouTube, bro.
What's up?
There you go. And yeah, then we're gonna grind down the quarter panels because I do have a little bit of surface rust from this past winter, and we are gonna rhino guard the inside. And let's get to it, guys. So we did the first fender. There is a little bit of bondle on this quarter. I did get the quarter repaired when I first bought the car. I guess whoever did it, they didn't really do a great job, but it didn't break as bad as I thought it was gonna break. Just gotta touch it up with some rhino guard. And as you guys can see, we masked it all off. We're just gonna paint the inner wall of the quarters, which you guys can see. Masked everything up, and yeah, gonna paint it, and then we'll jump on to the next side, and I'll actually get a nice video of us rolling the other side, which is the problematic side. But stay tuned.
You didn't see that, did you?
I did now.
No, I got clipboard. We'll take that off.
Where'd it go? Oh, on the side skirt?
Yeah.
Oh, that comes off with
paint that
fucking...
black?
Huh?
Might as well just keep going black on that.
We should make it like...
right there.
I know, like a black lip. Oh, that's fuck all. Don't worry, bro. Acetone cleans everything.
Yeah, it's at your house, though.
Yeah, that it is. So, Kev's the one that's painting it because the last time I attempted to paint anything on a car, I royally messed up. So I'm designating Kevin to do this since he already did it on the EG and it didn't come out bad. So, what are friends for? Alright guys, so the trick with this is start off nice and easy. I don't have much of a lip to begin with on the quarter panel because I have grinded it in the past to fit another setup previous, so I didn't need to bang it in, and I'm not worried about the paint chipping. I'm gonna rhino guard it, so you just slightly just keep, you know, going back and forth, and then as you start seeing it get easy, apply more pressure and just keep at it. Just keep going until you can start feeling this lip becoming like sandwiched, which is already almost like that. And it's, you know, like I said, if you don't want anything to peel, use a heat gun. Like, I don't really care. I'm gonna be using a rhino guard, a rubberized version of it, so it'll stay nice and black. And yeah, just keep tackling it. The results, as long as you keep doing it, it's gonna be beautiful. So let me get back to this, and I'll show you when it's all done. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start masking everything around here, get it ready for the rhino guard. Kev's gotta lay the paint. I'm just gonna prep everything. So give you a little video of masking everything up. Guys, the tires are mounted, quarters are rolled, painted, minus the passenger side, which I already know was going to be an issue, but all in all, pretty happy with it. I'm hoping this is going to fix the issues of the tire letters rubbing on the inside of the quarters. I'll give you guys a quick show. That is the quarter, all painted black. Paint did chip a little bit. I'm not too stressed about it. Like I said, I was going to rhino guard it, which I did. Should hold up until before the winter, where I'm hoping to get the car resprayed and get the quarters redone properly. Actually wanted a silver with like a little purple flake to it. So that's going to be the goal next year. Is going to be hopefully boosted. D17 on boost automatic, which I'm looking forward to that. And you guys are going to be along for that. And now we're just going to jump to some little quick, I wouldn't even call them installs, just little things that came in the mail from eBay that I ordered. Like a Mugen reservoir socks, $6, can't go wrong, last minute bid. And these little things that I just saw and it caught my eye, it said Mugen on it. And basically they just go over the little silver thing right there, and give it a little bit of look when you open the door. Nothing crazy. Like I said, $5. Why not? I was in a spending mood on eBay. All right, everyone. So it is automatic, so there's only room for one reservoir cover. So we put the orange one on from Mugen Power. It looks really nice. Brightens up the engine bay. Matches the little dipstick. And another shot of Ashley's motor. Over the course of the channel, we are going to be cleaning up a lot of this stuff in here. We're going to relocate the battery to the trunk, clean up the engine bay, possibly do a wire tuck like the Civic, remove the fuse box somewhere in the cowl area. We're going to wrap the header and all that, and those are the doors. They actually look pretty nice. Like I said, for $5, $6, you can't definitely go wrong. But that's going to do it for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in. Just a little correction on my part from these tire letters, and taking the extra rubber into consideration when and the higher tire as well. But hey, anything can be fixed in this world, most things. But like I said, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you to Mr. Kevin for always lending us a hand. Somewhere back there, hiding in his garage. That's the EG, ready for tomorrow's Garage 16 barbecue and show and shine, which I am going to record and cover for you guys. And thanks for always tuning in. We're up to 36 subscribers. Everyone that's subscribed so far, thank you very much. Everyone else, please don't forget to smash the like, smash the comment, and of course smash the subscribe button. You know, give us a follow and all that. And much love. Peace.